Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, and comment and subscribe. Now Bruce Golding, former Prime Minister and former leader and former member of the Labour Party, is speaking out against the Prime Minister, the government, and the handling of Usain Bolt and his SSL money. Bruce Golding, you couldn't hear what I say. Drop a like on the video and a comment in the comment section if you agree with Bruce, and they will continue reasoning to call listen.
You know, government have a responsibility. They are the ones that issue licenses to these investment houses, you know, and in the issuing of the license, what they are saying to the public is that I'm satisfied that these are good people to do business with, so you can go do business with them. Well, that is what Usain Bolt did, and look what happened to him.
Now, Bruce, I speak against him farmer party. You must say there's no way the government can say there was nothing that they should have done or could have done better. As what people point out, SSL is a company. The only way you can have an established company where people can legitimately put their money in or use to invest their money is if they get a license from the government. So after Usain Bolt money missing, the government, I go say, them did I watch the company. And that's why them promptly lock it down. So what happened to before that? How were none of the clients made aware? Some people say this is a major scandal on the part of the government. And what the government know, make them really want to tell the people how exactly this take place. As a matter of fact, we hear other Caribbean leaders as the time come. Other Caribbean Prime Minister, the Prime Minister of St. Vincent, has sided with Mark Golding, seeing him as the next Prime Minister of the Jamaican island. I couldn't hear for myself.
In solidarity with your leader, Comrade Mark. Time come. Time come. Time come for the PNP.
Tell me what you think. If other Caribbean islands already, remember, we already point out, say, North America and the president for North America right now, we not think him like Prime Minister Holness. Because Prime Minister Holness was a supporter of Miss Harris, who did not win the election. Now we are other Caribbean countries. I say, a Mark Golding to be the leader of the Jamaican island. I remember we have a thing in the Caribbean called the CARICOM. Not that they have any influence over our election, but just the private sector might look into the fact that with all of these tariffs we are going right now, it is best to have stronger relation with other Caribbean countries so we can have a stronger Caribbean economy. The thing them we are grow out here, we can sell some to some other Caribbean countries. The thing them can send some come give we. The music and the culture, we can make it move around. Our Caribbean countries control Caribbean tourism. You have a whole heap of other tourism spots rather. People love go Bali. You know what I mean? You have some people who love go, you know what I mean, South America, which is still, you know, a little bit like Caribbean. You have some people who love go some other European destinations. But the Caribbean, for decades, as always, I'll be telling about since people have traveled. Remember, from pirate days, from the days of the pirates, the Caribbean has always been beloved. We can have stronger relations within the Caribbean. And if other Caribbean countries are say, watching, we feel like other person are the better person for the Caribbean country. Well, the private sector might see that way as well. And if the people are against the government and the private sector is against the government, well, the Prime Minister will lose. The Prime Minister will lose. Nobody has to find members like Bruce Golding and speak out against the Prime Minister. He never say him in support of the opposition, but he not in support of where the government are going with and how them handle the situation with Usain Bolt. Him say it himself. This is not what people say him say. We hear him say it himself. Know what this means? This means they have a whole heap of other people within the Labour Party who agree and feel the same way there. But either because they are still MP, still councillor, or what, they might have their own reason. Them no want to say nothing. Bruce Golding is no longer a part of representational politics. And they might want them people from the Labour Party where people from the Labour Party always are cussing. Mr. Golden was one of them people who left and go farm him own party one at a time. And some people strongly believe say because Golden did left and go farm him own party during the days of Siaga, why the Labour Party never win that specific election. We don't know what them feel. And then forward back, take over the party. Think go on with us. They don't like him from them days again, see me. But him not care. As I'm say, he's no longer a part of representational politics and he's rich enough to live anywhere in the world he choose. But, you know, being Jamaicans will always love Jamaica and be concerned about what going on the Jamaican island. So Bruce a speaking mind. And as a person who was once the leader of the Jamaican island, the leader of the Labour Party, and also a Prime Minister. Well, I say leader of the Jamaican island. Such. He would know what I mean when I say the angle the situation right. Am I right? He would know say the government could do more. Am I right? When everybody else attack on the media said this and said that, they have never been either. Well, we have some politicians speak out still. But aside from PG and some other people who have been in politics, most people who attack have never been a part of a government, a party when a power run the country. Is that somebody who has been the leader of a party when a power, and also been a member of a party when a power, and also been a member of a party who was in the opposition. This is a man who knows about governance. Some people that say this is a man who knows what I talk about. So if this is a man who knows what I talk about, and he must say the government should have done better, then you see why Usain Bolt feel the way where him feel and has taken the stance where he has taken. We must say the government wrong with the way them go about the situation. Them wrong for not tell him say money never reach in the place. Them wrong for handle the situation the way them handle it. Or the investigation the way them handle the investigation. Now these are the feeling of some. I'm not saying this is the feeling of everybody. Because some people have mixed views on it. Yeah, you have some people who see it different ways. There are some people who say Bolt blame the government when Bolt should not blame the government, not knowing what Bolt blame the government for. What Bolt blame the government for is almost an aspect where Bruce Golden speak out against the government boat. This is the company where the government is the oversight for. Aside from the management and the owners of the company have to comply to the rules set in place by the government, so the government watch them. And the man says like the government never look long enough with over 200 people money get take. We have to about rich people. Because the average Jamaican did invest in SSL. Think about it. And people like both them. And the people $1,000. And I like when they hear them say they must sell the Trans Highway, you can go buy some shares in it for $3,500. I don't like that. Big money. Big investment company. But now I got $3,500. But I guess nobody just never see. And if them say them never see. Or if you tell them say them see. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Do you believe? Do you agree? Rather, with what Bruce Golden say. Bruce say, yo, the government give them license. So them continue to renew them license, knowing to them and watch them. But talk to me in the comment section if you're new to the channel, pass through the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't tell the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours if you want to live, love, and prosper, and also if you want to stay tuned.